Oh, and here we have the amazing Eleanor coming in from a day outside with her mask. We don't want her to get a rash or irritated skin, so we're gonna steam some Take a Breather. Let's see how she does it. Oh, smell those organic herbs. It's like making tea. Ah, so relaxing. All right, now we're gonna pretend she stayed there for a few minutes, or however was convenient for her. You seem so relaxed and happy. Oh, you're gonna put a few drops of some face oil? Oh. Nice. You look like you feel happy and refreshed.